Scents are like everything else in the world. They are made of molecules. Different molecules have different scents. When you inhale the scent of a rose, you're actually inhaling molecules the rose releases into the air. These molecules travel up in your nose and get stuck to your olfactory membrane, which contains highly specialized nerve endings called olfactory receptors. Once these nerves recognize a particular scent molecule, they send a signal to your olfactory bulb, which signals your cortex and limbic system. Next, hormones and neurochemicals are released. You probably know that different hormones and neurochemicals create different reactions in your body. So if a rose reminds you of romance, you're going to be flooded with romantic thoughts. Or if lavender relaxes you, your body is filled with relaxing hormones. Aromatherapy really does affect your body in a comprehensive, holistic way. Your emotions, hormones, and healing responses are all influenced for the better.